What?
No, that's just what I was going to verify, is that they told him $2,500 on the trade-in value.
They told you $2,500 on a trade-in?
That's the trade-in value, Your Honor. The sale value of the vehicle, one of the members of the Subaru dealership...
Don't tell me what he said to you.
I'm sorry, Your Honor,
Gonzalez,
but he wanted to buy the vehicle for $5,000.
Do you have any proof that the defendant agreed to pay $5,000 for your car, is my question.
Yes, Your Honor.
Show me.
Just press play on that. I don't have the paperwork because I moved.
I just want to see what you have. Don't tell me what you don't have.
Yeah, press play.
Press what?
Play. Blue arrow.
April 12, 2019, Friday. I and Ozanith Young enter into a contract, and I will read the contract out loud and we will both sign. And these are the terms. I, Jamal Arturo Gonzalez Gomez, hereby enter in contract with Ozanith Memory Young. Ozanith will be purchasing a Subaru Forester color white of 2006. The conditions are the following. Total price of $5,000. Payment will be received in increments of $150 until total, with 0 down payment and 0 interest. She will keep her receipts, and payment will be received in Wells Fargo's account no later than by the 30th of each month. Any break in this contract shall forfeit any monies given and items in possession. I am hereby, at this point in time, maybe can you hold that? This is the contract. I am hereby signing. And I await her signature. This contract is therefore initiated.
Smart.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Smart.